Hello, welcome to our weekly look ahead at the markets. And after the Fed delivered that hawkish pause, signalling that there's 2 more rate hikes to come, but just not yet, and the ECB delivered on its promise to raise interest rates by 25 basis points, we get the turn of the Bank of England, and that's what's coming up this week on Thursday. Now, it's expected to raise rates again. Markets have been moving aggressively to price in a lot more hikes, so in the coming months, moving up towards 5.75% of that key bank rate. That would imply 125 basis points of hikes still to come. Will the Bank of England deliver on that? We're not sure. It's unclear what the messaging might be on Thursday, but increasingly the Bank of England's looking like it's lost control of inflation, it's lost control of wages. We also have consumer inflation data the day before the Bank of England, so that's going to be a really useful guide. And if it remains too high, markets may actually expect a 50 basis point move by the Bank of England. That seems less likely than the 25 basis points. So that's very much what we're expecting. But keep your eyes on those inflation data on Wednesday. That's going to be really key for sterling crosses in particular. We saw cable breakout from that long-term trend resistance last week, so keep your eyes on cable. Obviously, a lot of that has been to do with the dollar unwinding as the Fed delivered on that pause last week. Also, keep your eyes on the latest earnings from Fedex. That's going to be the main earnings report. We're not really getting an awful lot else. It's a quiet time for earnings. We've had a lot of banks coming up with revised outlooks for the year ahead in the wake of the latest earnings season. So Fedex one, it's a good useful guide, though, indicates a bit of where the US consumer is right now. We've got cardboard demand falling off a cliff. That suggests people are spending less on goods. So we'll look to see what that translates to in terms of the Fedex earnings. So as I say, Bank of England on Thursday. Wednesday, you have the UK inflation numbers. Now, remember that core number went up from 6.2 to 6.8% in the prior months, and that core reading is going to be key for the Bank of England. Thanks for watching.